Hi, this is Marc Lamberg. I would like to give you a short introduction to the BBC Microbit. The BBC Microbit is a microcontroller device that is meant to be used by children in schools to learn programming and also to get a feeling for what a computer actually looks like and how it works. The Microbit is not as powerful as, for example, the Raspberry Pi, but it does have quite a few interesting things built into it that make it very attractive for children to use. So for example, you can interact with it using buttons, or you have LEDs that you can drive. Down here you see various pins that you can use to, for example, connect the Microbit to external sensors or to drive external electronics. You have a battery connector up here, so you can use it without computer. You have a reset button up here that you use when flashing the device in order to reset it and restart your scripts. And this is the USB adapter that you use to connect it to the computer to put scripts or little programs on the Microbit. This is the microcontroller down here. And you also have a few sensors built in. Interesting ones are the compass and the accelerometer to be able to detect whether the Microbit moves. On the other side of the Microbit you have an LED grid, 5x5 LEDs that you can control individually. You can also set the brightness level of these LEDs, and you have two buttons, button A and button B, that you can use in your scripts to add some interactive use. Down here you have the pins again. Pins 0, 1 and 2 can also be used as buttons, so to speak, so there's logic in the Microbit to detect when you press one of these. And you can use these pins to 3 volts and ground to control your, to power on your external electronics. So this is the Microbit, and now let's give it some energy. As you can see here, when you plug it in, the LED lights up, and I put on a little script with a moving dot. So as you can see, this uses the accelerometer. When moving the Microbit around, tilting it, you can then move the little dot around. And this is all done using Python, because there's a Python implementation for the Microbit called MicroPython, and I'm going to demonstrate the use of MicroPython in the next few videos. Hope you enjoyed this short introduction. Thank you.